What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Yep, I'm that guy that's always in this place where I'm ready, willing, capable, and able of learning things I never knew, and I'm always sharing them with future internet marketing students, okay? Now, guys, in this video, we want to talk about three things, okay? We're going to talk about being in the right place at the right time. We're going to talk about the perfect marriage, and we're going to talk about automated marketing systems and sales funnels, okay? Number one, guys, being in the right place at the right time. I don't know if you're a person that's been online for a little while and you've been looking for an opportunity that you want to promote, you know, a business opportunity you could get set up and started with. It wasn't going to create a lot of headache for you, and that you could get started and set up with relatively simple and easy, okay? So when we talk about being in the right place at the right time, you're there, guys. Secondly, let's talk about the perfect marriage, guys. And what is the perfect marriage? It's not what you think. I'm not talking about the marriage between me and my wife. She likes Captain Crunch. I like Cheerios. I told her I didn't think it was going to work. Okay, I'm sorry. I defer, guys. Let's get back to the point at hand. The perfect marriage consists of three things, guys. Number one, a high converting offer, right? Targeted, responsive leads and traffic, right? And automation. Or high converting offer, targeted, responsive leads and traffic and leads, whatever you want to call it, and automation. That is the perfect marriage. And when you're in the right place at the right time and you marry those two together, guys, you're in for an explosive experience in terms of making money online, okay? So I want you to imagine, right, being able to plug into a system where you can wake up to new money every single day, where there's no selling, no calling, no hanging out business cards, and while you can actually making money while you sleep, even at 1:39 a.m., okay? We're going to talk about how you guys can get the full training and the automated marketing system and sales funnel that I'm speaking of. So let me grab my shades, guys, and let's get on with the show, okay? Let's get hot.